In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge databases Notion. To begin, open Notion and navigate to the page that contains the database you want to bring into another one. In this example, you will start on a timetable database view. The goal is to export this database as a CSV file first, because Notion can merge a CSV into an existing database. Once you are looking at the database, click the small menu icon for the database view, the one that opens the database options. In many setups, this is in the top right area of the database. After you open that menu, choose Export. Notion will open an export window where you confirm the export action. Click Export again to generate the file. Notion will download a CSV to your computer. Keep track of where it saves, such as your Downloads folder, since you will need to select it in a moment. Next, switch to the Notion database where you want the exported data to end up. In this walkthrough, you will click into the timetable database that will receive the new information. Make sure you are opening the correct database because merging will add or update rows inside the database you are currently working in. With the destination database open, click the same database options menu again. From the list of actions, choose Merge with CSV. This starts the Merge tool, which is designed specifically for combining a CSV file with an existing Notion database instead of creating a brand new database. Now click Choose File and select the CSV file you just exported. After the file is uploaded, you will see an option to map CSV headers. This part is important for clean results. Mapping headers means you are telling Notion which CSV columns match which properties in your Notion database. If the names line up automatically, review them anyway to confirm that dates, titles, and other fields are matched correctly. After that, click Table to confirm you are importing into the current table database. Then click Import CSV to run the merge. Notion will process the file and apply the results to your database. Once it finishes, scan a few entries to confirm everything merged as expected. That covers everything you need to know.